Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Quizlet application into dark mode. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account using your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page. Now from here, if you wish to change into dark mode for the application, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from your profile page, tap on your settings, which will now take you into the settings page. From this page, scroll all the way down until you find appearance. Within this section, underneath theme, the system default option will be selected by default. Just tap on this menu, and now if you prefer to use dark mode, just tap on the dark option, and this will now apply the dark mode theme within your application right away. You can come back to this menu and then change from light and dark mode at any point of time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the Quizlet application interface into dark mode. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.